Hello, it's a brand new trading week, and today on Forecasts we're looking at the cable as many market players anticipate an increase in rates early next year. But against the dollar, sterling has recently seen unprecedented highs. Well, joining me on the line from Monex Europe is Emir Daly, Head of Market Analysis. Emir, hi, thanks for joining us today. Just looking at your forecasts for the cable, they're looking very bullish despite a recent drop in sterling. Why is this?
Well, I guess the recent drop in sterling was primarily a result of what happened in euro dollar, and really we're seeing that the primary driver really, making people move into sterling positions is the fact that there's growth coming through in the UK economy. And if you look across the other G7s, there's no other really economy that's growing above that 3% annualized growth level. And we see that as a major support to sterling in the near term.
We've seen losses in the pound, despite better than expected data releases on the UK economy. Is this reflected in your forecasts?
We've seen snapbacks in PMI readings, and also there's a lot of survey data which is really showing that the UK economy kind of stepped out of that stagnating period in the first quarter and is really starting to build up momentum again as we're coming into the middle of the year. Now,
you've predicted a rise up to 176 over 12 months. Is it capped there, or could we see further gains, do you think?
Yeah, I do think we're going to be capped there. I primarily think that we are going to see rate hikes in the UK coming into the first quarter, and that the Bank of England is going to be one of the first G7 central banks to actually hike interest rates. I do think from here on we're going to see a stronger dollar finally returning as the Fed really finally kind of changes its stance on the Fed funds rate. So that will really cap the upside moves in sterling dollar. I would say that kind of towards the end of the year, I'd just warn a little bit of caution for sterling bulls, because I do think we could see all these early rate hikes expectations being priced in towards the end of the year, and almost that could be disappointed, because I think the Bank of England will really lean on other committees within the central bank to tighten policy without actually hiking rates.
Okay, that's all from Monday's forecast. The programme will return on Wednesday, but for now, bye-bye.